relevant to our students' lives. So this approach allows learners to become active participants in their own learning journey rather than just passive listeners. So in my report, we will tackle how technology can be effectively integrated into instructional lessons. So the different roles learners can play in this kind of environment and how these strategies make teaching and learning more impactful in today's time. So first, let's talk about the learner's role in technology-enhanced classroom. So everyone, please read the contribution. Learners can share materials such as videos, audio recordings, documents, or ebooks. They can post messages and add photos and contribute their own ideas to the digital platforms. So, learners as contributors, so ang mga students natin, hindi lang siya like na nag-take of knowledge, but maghatag po siya information. So, basic sa ito, what do you call this? Basic sa information given here sa TV, can someone please give me an example of a learner as a contributor? Everyone? Okay, so ako na lang makakagawa example. So, for example, dami akong ginawa ko, di ba kani? I-video report na eh. So, kung sa may ginagawa sa ito ani, after na ako mag-report, yes, i-upload ito sa Google Classroom, where pwede ka makashare ating ang video, where pwede po where ka mo mga classmates, pwede mo mong panaan ibalik para maka-learn po sa kung sa ila, sunod ako mga na-absent, diba? So, contributor, ako, I stand as I'm an example of a contributor, kaya ako mag-report ko ani, kasi ako sa Google Classroom, and pwede siya ma-watch sa ako, pwede maka-learn ang mga absent, diba? Or ang mga late, pwede makatanaw sa video, mawala nila na absent, diba? So, next is learners as creators. So, can someone please read learners as creators? Yes, Miss Lindsay Aguirre, Susan Sagario. Please read.
Creators, students and design digital portfolios, virtual posters, or interactive resources. They will produce digital stories, edit their work, and present their outputs online.
So learners are creators. So they use technology to turn their ideas into creative outputs. So an example of this is a student create a virtual poster about climate change using Canva and presents it to class. So diba nakakita niya ang usage sa technology, ang tamang usage sa technology, while I'm also nagamit niya ang role niya as contributor. Kaya nagamit na siya ang technology and then i-part niya na yung knowledge, yung makuha, yung mag-create with technology. So next is communicators. Please read, everyone.
We have technology tools. Students can chat with classmates, post in blogs, reply to discussion and reviews to web platforms. This gives them more chances to express their thoughts and collaborate.
So communicators. So learners as communicators connect, share, and learn together through technology. Can someone give me an example of communicators? Learners as communicators. Kalang example sa niya, wala sa pandemic era. So, anyone? Yes, Miss Gracie, nakika-istorya. Please stand up.
For example, during pandemic era, instead yung sa school, gusto ako ng online platforms, for example, Google Classroom.
Yes, Google Classroom. So, for example, sa katong non-Gracie nga. Ang mga students, pwede sila mag-collaborate, mag-share ideas through online like Google Classroom, Zoom, or so next is collaborators. So collaborators, students can work together on projects using forums, wikis, and group chats. They can share ideas and complete tasks as a team even from different locations. So technology makes teamwork easier and more effective. So example na is a group of students work together on a shared document in Google Docs to finish
like smartphones, tablets, or apps give students the flexibility to learn at their own pace and time.
So kani po is kana technology mo as kana baka na as thing. So pwede mga estudyante nga parehas ni like mas comfortable ko nga gamit og laptop kay mas easier siya pwede ra mabasa 3 at 9 sa uban ka maganahan pa ko di ba? So kani siya ay talagaan ang mga learners sa grade school para misusuko sa ilang mga comfortable na mga what we call this curriculum and support. Support sa ilang curriculum, sa ilang lesson. So next is encouraging active learning. Everyone can see. Again, everyone is encouraging active learning.
Technology empowers students to contribute, create, communicate, and collaborate, building essential 21st century skills.
So students became more engaged and active, not just listeners. Kasi mo ang DNA. Ang di ba everyone na, if mag-use ka ang technology ka, ato ang mga learners, ato ang mga students kay, mas engaged sila, mas active sila sa classroom. Yan, di ba? So next is the teacher's role. A creative and innovative teacher uses technology not just an add-on, but as a powerful tool to deepen learning. So the teacher guides students using technology, not replacing real teaching. So sa ito na naman isa sakto nga, ang teacher, paggamit siya of technology just to improve the teaching and learning process, but hindi siya replaceable ang teacher sa technology. Huwag liwan na or kasunod ko nga, pwede na inisa ng technology ang teacher. So, in conclusion, technology doesn't replace teachers. It empowers both teachers and learners. So by embracing these tools, we can create lessons that are engaging, meaningful, and alive. When students feel involved, learning becomes not just a task, but a